trying times of COVID 19 that obstruct the world at large, we see how dedicatedly and selflessly the doctors all around have served the people at large and emerged as true heroes. They haven't thought about their health, family, personal issues, but worked around the clock to help and heal patients. A doctor is very selfish and devotes his life to help others. We, the Volunteers, take this opportunity to thank the doctors and we dedicate this video for their noble service.
on the row is Dr. Victor Samuel, a passionate pediatric dentist thoroughly dedicated to the needs of the children. He is currently working as an associate professor in SRM Katangulathur Dental College, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, and pediatric dental consultant with top performing dental clinics in Chennai of high standards. He loves treating the kids. He also enjoys teaching and he keeps himself updated in the present ever changing world. He has also published articles in national and international journals and also an author of a textbook in pediatric history. Here we have Dr. Victor Samuel with a short speech.
Hi all, warm greetings to all the lovely students of Violet School. I'm Dr. Victor Samuel, working as an associate professor in SRM Katangulathur Dental College, and I even run a private practice. I hope everyone is fine and safe during this pandemic situation. So, being a dental surgeon, I have few suggestions for a healthy teeth and gums. So, brush regularly but not aggressively. So, I hope everyone does this brushing. Okay, so this brushing has to be done twice a day. So, morning and night, just before going to sleep. And see to that you use a fluoridated toothpaste so that there's some amount of fluoride contents in the toothpaste which will act as a karyostatic or which will prevent decay occurrence. Number two, you need to use floss once a day at least. Flossing is nothing but a thread kind of a thing, a synthetic nylon thread kind of flosses are available, which is easily available in any pharmacy. This will help you to remove the food debris that gets accumulated between the teeth. And another important thing is consider a mouthwash. Okay, if you don't want to buy a mouthwash, at least use some warm water and a rock salt so that you can rinse and swish your mouth at least for a period of 60 seconds once in a day. Okay, so this will reduce the bacterial load in the oral cavity. This can also prevent bad breath. Okay, another important thing I would like to tell you all is, even if you get healthy tips like this, but it's better to always visit a dentist regularly, at least once a year. Okay, another thing, depending pertaining to your food activities, it is better to limit all sugary food substances. More importantly, avoid all sticky foods. Okay, even if you take some sticky foods, it's better to rinse your mouth thoroughly so that nothing stays in the teeth. Okay, so if it gets washed away, the chances of you getting decay is very minimized. And drink water often, okay, instead of sugary drinks. Right. During this pandemic situation, I would like to also throw some important preventive tips for the spread of COVID-19. Always clean your hands. I hope everyone would have heard about it, but that is the most utmost thing in order to you being safe. Okay, and also not spread the disease. Okay, and when you wash your hands, use soap. Okay, and when you use your soap, at least use it for a period of 10-20 seconds. Thus that will kill all the germs that is there in your hands. Okay, and always avoid using your hands, but avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. And when you're in a public places, always try to maintain social distancing. The government keeps spreading this news all the time, so you need to maintain social distance when you are out in the public, and always wear a mask when you're out in the public. And if you can access any public health center to provide you a vaccination, get yourself vaccinated. That can prevent majority of the damage or morbidity that can happen to any individual. And if you feel unsafe, if you feel unwell, it's better to stay at home. And when you cough or sneeze, always use a tissue paper or use your elbow to sneeze. Okay, that can prevent the spread of the disease. Even if you come across anybody, you also need to educate themselves. Okay, I hope these tips will help you all have a happy and a healthy life. Thank you. Bye. All the best.
doctors, for being with us in the midst of this pandemic situation. Thank you for all your hard work and support during this difficult time. Thank you for being a pillar of support.
Thank you so much for all your hard work and support during this difficult time. Your humility, kindness, and strength are greatly appreciated. Thank you for being our nation's guiding light in the face of this adversity. Thank you.
I feel so blessed to thank all the doctors who are much dedicated, thoughtful, compassionate, and tireless towards a healthy outcome. You're one of the special person who always tries to get who makes this world a better place just by the way you live.
Thank you, doctors. Over the last 1 year, so many of you have shown healthcare of the globe with abundance of love, support, and gratitude. You and your team throughout the system working tirelessly to take care of our community. We are very much thankful to you as you are putting your life in danger and sacrificing your personal life and saving us from the virus.
Annai doctor is blessed with the magical power to treat our life, to bring health into our life, and to be there with us when we have lost all the hope. I thank all the doctors for all their hard work and support during this pandemic situation.
It's a great privilege and an unforgettable experience for me to thank you all in this occasion. I am filled with immense gratitude for all your sacrifices in saving our life. I once again thank all the doctors from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you to all the doctors. Because God could not be everywhere, He made sure that we have the doctors like you who have the gift of healing mankind.
Doctors are like God for us. Thank you for being in our part of life. We are being safe in our house because of them. They risked their life for our nation. Doctors sacrificed their life to keep all of us safe from COVID-19.
In this critical stage, they have to be in their house and spend the time with their family. But they are curing the peoples from the coronavirus.
Thanks a lot to all the doctors who fought our battles of life and death with us. Whenever we need any medical help, you are always there for us, and we will remember your effort for humanity.
I salute the entire medical fraternity, doctors, nurses, ambulance drivers, and everybody who are redefining the capacity of hope in the most difficult of times. Thank you.
To save others' life. They work hard night and day without proper rest. So I would like to thank all the doctors and nurses for their efforts. Hats off to those heroes.
Truth be told, doctors deserve endless thank you from all of us whose lives have been positively affected by their tenderness, resilience, and skillful professionalism. You cure all of us without discriminating us into caste, creed, and culture.
Thank you so much, doctors, for all your hard work and support during our difficult times. Dear doctors, your humility, kindness, and strength are greatly appreciated. To me, doctors are a magician, a great physician, and a special gift from God.
Because of your effort, I can trust that my family, friends, neighbors will stay safe during this unprecedented crisis. That's why you are the heroes of this generation.